Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. The sportiest looking Fit yet was replaced by the Honda Fit RS, which made its premiere yesterday in Japan as part of the model's redesigned lineup. Nevertheless, Mugen added its own body package, giving the Fit RS an almost full-blown Type R appearance. For the less expensive Fit models, the Japanese tuner is also providing a second body package that gives them a similarly sporty stance. Body-colored front bumper extensions with a red stripe beneath the central intake and another red accent on the grille are among Mugen's upgrades for the Honda Fit RS. The Honda logo, which distinguishes it from the factory-spec Type R variations, nevertheless has the same stock blue/black backdrop as in other HEV models. As you would anticipate from a hot hatch, the Honda Fit RS lacks broad fender add-ons, and Mugen made no changes to that. Instead, they added side skirts, a new set of 17-inch MD aluminum wheels, Bovet texture trim pieces, carbon-style mirror caps, Mugen logos on the front fenders, and mirror caps. A new carbon-style piece between the headlights, a ribbon on the tailgate with fake vents, as well as a noticeable rear bumper addition with ornamental inlets and a diffuser are all present on the back of the vehicle. With the exception of the daring crosstar, Mugen created a somewhat different kit for the Honda Fit's lower trims, Basic, Home, Luxe, to fit on the vehicle's less complex front and rear bumpers. Similar to the RS Bodykit, this one has a similar amount of accessories that, strangely, make it appear even more aggressive. More particular, the standard Fit receives a carbon grille extension, a front bumper splitter with fictitious side intakes, a wider diffuser, and a substantially bigger rear wing. Although each component may be bought separately, the bumper and side sill extensions cost 198,000 yen, $1,366 for the Fit and 236,500 yen, $1,632 for the Fit RS. For the complete package, you will need to pay an additional $44,200 or $304. For the carbon mirrors, $73,700 or $509. For the rear wing, $53,900 or $372. For the alloy wheels, $24,200 or $167. For the decals, $57,200 or $395. For the floor mats and side window visors, and $91,300 or $630. For the scuff plates and protective interior trim pieces. Thank you for watching.